This is a presentation about enhancing cultural competence through classroom literature and celebrations. In the first video of the presentation, so after this brief overview and a couple of definitions, we will delve into the first video, which will be about what are the issues we are talking about. Number two, why are these issues important and why we need to develop cultural competence in ourselves and in our students. And then we'll talk about what are the ways we can do this. What are the ways we can develop this cultural competence or even proficiency? And then finally, in the presentation, there are some helpful resources. There's another really useful resource that I am hoping will develop during this presentation is this Jamboard. So there are some sticky notes on top, and you can grab one and add your thoughts and your ideas on it. You will be prompted. Wherever we talk about that, the relevant prompt of the note, you on that slide, you will see the same color sticky note. So that will be a prompt for you to come here and add your contribution. There's a short URL at the bottom. If you have another device, you can use the QR code. And I really look forward to learning from you and reading your contributions. I'll start with a quote from Dr. Geneva Gay, who is one of the leading voices in the field of multicultural education. The best quality education for ethnically diverse students is as much culturally responsive as it is developmentally appropriate, which means using their cultural orientations, background experiences, and ethnic identities as conduits to facilitate their teaching and learning. So, what is cultural competence? It is the ability to understand and interact effectively with people from other cultures. What about diverse literature? It's literature that exposes the reader to a variety of characters who vary in terms of race, ethnic group, nationality, social economic status, urban versus rural settings, family dynamics, abilities or disabilities, and sexual identity. Genres of diverse literature can be fiction and nonfiction. So, a nonprofit organization called We Need Diverse Books, which is really involved in the publication of books by authors of different cultural groups, ethnic, cultural, racial groups, and also with a variety of characters. So according to them, diverse literature is literature that reflects and honors the lives of all young people. And according to the International Literacy Association, diverse literature is just simply literature for all. So here's our first prompt for the Jamboard. Go to the Jamboard and grab the yellow sticky note and please write a book that you have recently used and enjoyed for early year learners, which features diversity. So I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy.